The initial industrial revolution was a time of great change. New technologies were invented, factories were built, and cities grew. These changes had a profound impact on society. They led to the rise of a new middle class, the improvement of living standards, and the development of new industries. The Industrial Revolution had a mixed impact on the world. It brought about many positive changes, but it also created new challenges. The Second Industrial Revolution brought about the age of automation and machines aiding in production, creating a brand new industry known as manufacturing. This gave birth to the assembly line and the birth of the automobile. With that, the world was forever changed again. With this era, the idea of technology began to become more personal. Communication became more personalized, transportation became more personalized, entertainment became more personalized. The Third Industrial Revolution was ushered in with the invention of the Internet. Rather than personalization, the goal shifted to connectivity. The promise of the Internet age was a more open and freer era than ever before. The reality that was brought forth is a world that is more divided today than potentially ever before. Technology has proliferated into every aspect of normal life, but the barriers to entry for the most lucrative technologies are placed higher than ever. The Fourth Industrial Revolution will change the landscape in ways never even imagined or conceived of before. It is characterized by a leveling of the playing field and a complete shakeup in the way that the game is played. The age of artificial intelligence is the age of the removal of artificial barriers. Knowledge will be made available at everyone's fingertips, and anyone with the willingness to learn will be empowered with tools to enhance their creativity. It starts with open source development. Open source development of artificial intelligence ensures that the entire world is examining, testing, and scrutinizing any technology that could potentially be released. Which means that technology and innovation is not released according to what is the most profitable cycle to release the technology, but when it is available and ready for release. Which means that a 15-year-old could code and release the next version of Windows if they want to. From a business perspective, it means removing barriers to entry and changing the way that the game is played as whole. If a technology is not truly innovative, does not have an actual moat, then that company finds themselves at risk during the Fourth Revolution, unless they change and adapt. In this era, data will be king. Data will be worth more than oil. Which is why you already see companies drawing lines in the sand around data. Data is the only part of the artificial intelligence revolution that can be monetized. Therefore, it is and will be the biggest crown jewel asset that everyone chases. Under these parameters, the choice is very clear. Open source technology means you control your data, you control your model, and you control your IP. Closed source technology means that you are giving up complete control of your data. The ask in that is to give up your own moat at the very start of the next revolution. Which is a smart play for enterprise companies to make, but it is a poor investment for you. Pay enterprise AI to take control of your own data, or utilize open source technologies for free and control your data. From all of us at Turing's Solutions, we would like to welcome you to the Fourth Industrial Revolution.